Hello everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you trying to print from your iPhone but your printer just won't respond? This issue can happen for several reasons, such as connection problems, incorrect print settings, outdated firmware, or more. In this video, I'll walk you through some essential tips and tricks to help you fix AirPrint issues quickly and easily. Also, if you run into difficulty and need assistance, feel free to contact our experts at the numbers shown on the screen. Now, let's get started with the solutions. Method 1. Check the network connection. First things first, make sure your printer is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Now, check that your iPhone is on the same wireless network as your printer. They need to be on the same network to communicate with each other. Method 2. Update your iPhone. Open up Settings on your iPhone. Then, you need to tap on General. On the next page, tap Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Update Now and let it do its thing. Method 3. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button just once each. Now, press and hold the power button on the right side until you see the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo pop up. If your AirPrint issue still isn't fixed, don't worry. Let's try the next solution to make sure your printer's firmware is up to date. And hey, drop your printer model in the comments if you want specific help for your device. Method 4. Update your printer firmware. On your printer, go to Settings and press OK. Next, you should use the right arrow to scroll over to Firmware Update and press OK. Now, choose Update and press OK one more time. You'll see a confirmation screen asking if you're sure. Just press OK to continue. And now we wait. Your printer will do its thing and update the firmware. When it's finished, you'll see a screen letting you know it's complete. If updating the firmware doesn't help, then follow the next method to reset your network settings. And if any of these solutions work for you, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Method 5. Reset your network settings. On your iPhone home screen, tap on Settings icon. After that, scroll down a bit and tap General. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, go ahead and simply tap Reset. From the list of the options, tap Reset Network Settings. When it asks you to confirm, tap Reset Network Settings one more time and you're done. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.